This is a 2005 Honda Accord. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a power moonroof, heated front seats, a HomeLink feature, an in-dash CD changer, a double wishbone independent front suspension, alloy wheels, 12-volt power outlets, a traction control system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and cruise control. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. Not to mention that this Honda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person. Napleton North Lake Auto Park is located at 3703 North Lake Boulevard in Lake Park. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.